I'm not into unboxing videos, but as most of this is going to end up featuring on the Facebook or YouTube pages at some point, I thought it might be just a nice idea to show people what's in this big box and give you an idea what's coming up. So, it's all from Modellbhanshop Lippe, which is in Germany. It's probably the shop that I use most for European stuff. I ordered this stuff last week and it's already arrived. So, a lot of packaging. You'll see why the box is so big as I get to the end. Just move all that out of the way. Put the invoice to one side. So, to be honest, I can't fully remember what I've ordered myself. So this one is some sort of Taurus. It's 1116208. I can't remember what livery that is, to be honest. I'll have to have a quick look. It's been tape shut, this box, so it looks like it's been opened. It's the promotional one, Join. I think it's some sort of streaming service in Germany or Austria. So that one that I wanted, that'll be used on the railjet. And then I've got a Trix. This is a Slovakian loco. To be honest, I just bought this one because it was so cheap. I think it was about £150 with sound. So I thought I'd just buy it to see what it sounds like. So it'll be interesting. You can do a speaker upgrade as well. And then I bought a load of wagons, so I want to be able to pull sort of more correct stuff behind the trains in the videos. So I've got some Austrian hopper wagons, which these don't run in sort of bulk trains, they tend to get mixed in with other things from what I've seen. So I'll just be able to run them like, say a few of them, then some containers or some like covered wagons, and there's loads of different options. I think these are similar. Oh, they're the same. I must have bought 4 packs of them. I thought I bought 2. So I've got 4 packs of those, and then these will be more wagons as well. Oh, these are some covered wagons. I think these get used for steel, but I've got a few different types. Actually 2 types, but I got 2 of the same. I thought they'd look nice in a 3, but they can run with different types of steel wagons as well. There's another box here. Oh, these look like they're more wagons. Oh, just got this one. Yeah, those are some steel wagons actually. Just like the ones that we have in the UK that Dapple make. Obviously these are HO scale, and they've got the ÖBB logo on them, the Austrian railways. And then the reason box is so big is because I got some starter sets. I bought this railjet one just because I wanted the loco in it more than anything. Because apparently this is a new one that's got a Plux 22 socket. I've not had a Pico one with a Plux 22 socket, so I just wanted it to have a look at really and see what speaker I can fit in it and stuff. I really like these Pico Taurus locos though. They're on the cheap, they're about £70 like for a brand new loco on its own. But this whole set with 3 coaches, track, controller, it was about 120 or something including that. But I'll sell the coaches because I don't need them. I'll sell the track and controller as well. So in the end that loco will probably only end up costing me about £50 I think, depending how much I get for the other stuff. And then a similar story with this one. This is a MAV one, Hungarian. I might keep the loco, but I definitely wanted the coaches because you can mix these with Austrian coaches and have a bit of variety in your running, so just gives us something else to pull around in trains and videos. The coaches are not perfect, but at the prices that they're costing these starter sets, it's well worth using them until I can afford something a little bit better. So yeah, that's what I've got in this little box, and there you go, all empty. So not as expensive as you think, considering how much I've got, and some of the stuff I'll be getting sold on from the sets to offset some of the cost. Hopefully that are interesting for people. If it was, I'll do more videos like this in the future.